Right now, Evernorth Holdings is one shareholder vote away from becoming a Ripple-backed XRP Treasury listed on Nasdaq. The SEC declared its Form S-4 effective on August 27, 2026, clearing the main regulatory hurdle. The final hurdle is Armada Acquisition Corp II's shareholder vote on September 30, 2026. If approved, the combined company trades under the ticker Xrpn. But here is the tension. Evernorth built its original 473 million XRP position at an average cost of $2.54, while XRP currently sits near $1.46. This listing begins underwater, and the market knows it. The speed here is significant. Evernorth filed its S-4 on August 21, and the SEC declared it effective 6 days later. That is unusually fast for a Spac combination, and it follows Ripple's chief legal officer Stuart Alderete saying the SEC has now made clear XRP is a digital commodity, not a security. That legal clarity is the foundation of this deal. Without it, a Nasdaq vehicle holding roughly $1 billion in XRP would be nearly impossible. The effective S-4 means proxy materials can be sent to shareholders of record as of August 20, and it sets the redemption deadline for September 28. That deadline matters because Spac investors can ask for their money back instead of staying in the deal. The market response is mixed but mostly positive. XRP jumped more than 3% to $1.46 on Thursday and is up over 27% for the week. XRP exchange-traded funds saw $18.47 million of inflows on August 27 alone, taking total inflows to $1.64 billion. Xrpn stock closed at $10.55, up nearly 3.5% year-to-date. Yet 24-hour XRP trading volume fell 7%, suggesting the rally is driven by ETF and news buyers rather than broad speculation. The hard maths. The initial 473.27 million tokens were acquired between October 20 and November 4, 2025 at an average cost of $2.54. So the Treasury is still deep in the red on paper. That gap is why some analysts say Evernorth will list underwater. If shareholders approve on September 30, the deal is expected to close in late third quarter or early fourth quarter 2026. It is projected to raise more than $1 billion in gross proceeds, including a $200 million commitment from Japan's SBI Group, and Ripple has contributed over 126 million XRP. However, a Spac vote is not a guarantee of cash. The September 28 redemption deadline means investors can withdraw funds, reducing Evernorth's available capital. The next move depends on XRP holding above 1.40 and on public investors accepting a company whose core asset is still recovering from a steep cost basis. A successful Nasdaq listing could accelerate institutional on-chain treasury adoption, but a poor showing would expose the risks of single-asset corporate treasuries. Evernorth is not simply another crypto listing. It is a live test of whether public markets will back an actively managed XRP treasury with full transparency and governance, as founder Ashish Birla puts it. The SEC's speed suggests regulators are now comfortable with XRP as a commodity, and the September 30 vote is the final procedural gate. But the deeper question is whether investors will pay a premium for a company whose original XRP position is underwater. Watch redemption levels, Xrpn around $10.55, and XRP's ability to hold above 1.40. If the vote passes, it could set a template for other blockchain treasuries. If it stumbles, public investors may not be ready to fund crypto treasury strategies at this scale.